Hi guys, so today I'm going to be filming a look that I did a couple of days ago and I showed you all on my Instagram, and I asked if you wanted to see a tutorial on this look, so I got lots of thumbs up for that. So today I'm going to be doing that for you, if I can remember how to do it. I'm going to be using the Morphe 35B. Yeah, 35B Colour Burst palette. I'm absolutely loving Morphe's revamp with all their makeup boxes and how it comes with all the names on a little cover, whichever way up it is, like that. Absolutely in love with this look, with this new palette. So guys, without further ado, let's get on into the video. Right guys, so let's get on with it. Since I'm using all one palette today, it's pretty simple, and I'll tell you the names of the colours, seeing as now we've got this little plastic thing telling us what every single one is. It's a purple look today, so I'm going to be focusing mainly in the purples on the 35B palette. So let's start first with lavender, which is quite a light purple, just on a fluffy blending brush, and put that into our crease. I've already prepped my eyes with some NYX concealer, which I bought the other weekend when I went to Valencia when my auntie was visiting. Absolutely love the NYX store in Valencia. So helpful in there if you need anything, so I would thoroughly recommend going to visit that one. So as you can see, I'm just buffing it out as much as possible with my big fluffy brush. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Purplish, which is the one just under lavender. It's quite vibrant. Tap off the excess and just rub that directly into the crease. And obviously, to keep this sort of nice and quick and easy for you all out there, I'm using the same brush. If you want to use different brushes, that's up to you. But I just like to keep things easy. And I know a lot of people like me out there can't actually afford lots of brushes or have places to store them, so it's easier to do it that way. Sorry about that guys, my camera just died, so I'm having to now move on to my other camera. Right, so as I was saying, I'm using the shade Grape Pop on the outer corner just to darken this up a bit. And what we're aiming for is a nice gradient from inner to outer corner. Now what I do from the outer V is I rub it into the crease just to darken that up as well, as you can see. So yeah, I'm sorry if the sound quality now isn't as good as with my camera. I can't believe it just died mid-blooming video. Oh well, we carry on, carry on. So, just repeat the step on the other eye. I find that helps if you start by tapping it on, and then afterwards you go in with your blending action, you rub it in, your sort of wind wiper motions, circular motions, and it adds a nice dimension. As you can see now they're both matching. And we're going to go back in with Pixie. This time I'm not going to spray Fix Plus on it, I'm just going to tap it on. And focusing where it meets the dark purple. These colours are so creamy and so blendable. I am absolutely in love with this palette. I think I'll be using this and the Jaclyn Hill with Morphe palette for the rest of my videos, unless you can recommend any videos to me guys, any palettes to me guys, just let me know. If you can say any that are better than this, I will see if I can afford it and try it. I would love to try the Violet Voss palettes. I've heard such good things about them. They look absolutely stunning. Anyway, right, so going back in with the original fluffy brush, just tap off any excess, and we're just going to blend and blend. Make sure everything is nice and blended. Don't worry about how high you go on your near your eyebrow. You can always edit that later with a bit of concealer or a bit of makeup remover, just sort of tap it to get rid of it. Right, and now, where is it? Where are you? We're going to go in with the black vinyl liquid liner by NYX. This is something I also bought in Valencia, and absolutely lovely. I'm still getting used to it. It's such a thin point on it. It's a bit hard to get used to. I don't know if you can see that. There you go there. Tiny. So I have to use both hands for this. Hello Reggie. I'm going to say hello, Bubby. Hello. So you know I have two dogs. So let's see if I can get the other one's bum is in shot. It's just at the end of the bed. I don't know if you can see, just there. It's very hot here at the minute, and this is the only room with aircon, so you'd like to come and sit with me. Right, so now we're just going to do a nice line all the way along the lashes. And obviously going slightly up at the end. Can you see that? This is so pigmented, this liquid liner, it's lovely. One swipe and you've got enough. You can see that? And I'm just going to repeat that on the other eye. If you can hear panting, it's my dog, because he's long-haired German Shepherd. He gets extremely warm here. Beautiful dogs that struggle so much. Now, a lot of you won't be very happy doing wings. I've spoken to quite a few of my friends and they hate it with a passion. It does just take practice. I've been doing wings my whole life, since I started doing makeup anyway. And I still get it wrong every so often. So don't worry, it's just makeup. You can take it off, you can start again. Just keep practicing, keep trying, you can do it. Right, so there we go, that's both the wings done. As you can see, just follows the outer line of your eyeshadow. And what we're going to do now is move on to the lower lash line. I'm just going to do my eyebrows off camera because I'm looking at it now and it looks slightly strange. I'll be back in a second. So guys, you've met one of my dogs. You're now going to try and meet Senor Zach, Mr. Fatty here. He's an American Staffy and the softest doggy you will ever meet in your life. Biggie softy over like a piggy. So yes, I have two doggies. This is one of them. He just loves cuddles, absolutely loves them. A little bugger he is. Sorry if you don't like swearing. Yeah, the other one's just laid at my feet and then Zach's just wandering around trying to find a cool spot, aren't you? Hey, Bubby. So there you go. Now you've met them both. And you'll probably see them a lot in my videos because they're so lovely. They love to be with them on me. Are you going to let Mummy get on now, or are you going to stay there? Hey? Sleepy face. Okay. So now I'm just going to dust away the powder I've got under my eyes. I'm just using a fluffy brush by Real Techniques. This is the 100, number 100. So a very good all-rounder powder brush. I've got dog hair on it. Right, now we're going to do our bottom lash line. So I'm going to start by lining it with some black eyeliner. Use whichever one you want. This one is from Unique in the shade Perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect though, because we're going to smudge it out with the colours underneath. Like so. So now I'm getting my smudger brush, which is the M213 brush from Morphe. This tiny, tiny, tiny little brush. Absolutely lovely little brush. So little to hold, it's unreal. And we're going to go back in with the shade purplish for a pop of colour. Just dab it on the smudger brush, like so, tap off the excess. And then we're going to go in and do exactly as the nose suggests, and we're going to smudge. And as we mix it in with the black, it takes on slightly darker, but it's still got that pop of colour. Okay. Don't forget to smudge up into your liner that you've already got, otherwise it won't all meet and be seamless, which is the look we're aiming for. This first colour, I'm only doing it on the outer half, I'd say. Mainly the outer third with the black, but bringing it into the half. And so, because we're going to go back in with lavender on the inner half, exactly the same, and blend it into purplish. Like so. And then, finally, we're going to take Pixie. So we're basically just repeating the colours from the top to the bottom. I'm going to put that on the inner corner. Can you see that? So it's just got a nice, smooth gradient. Sorry about the hair, by the way, I've just got out of the shower and I'm in a rush today, so. That was my dog breathing. Right, now we're going to take a pencil brush, a nice clean-ish pencil brush. This is the Morphe M431. I'm going to take a neutral colour like pale out of this palette. I'm just going to use all this palette in this video. Really. That is why you tap off the excess. Like so, nice and smooth. And then, final touch, I'm going to find the Balm Cosmetics Mary Luminizer, which is a good staple really, isn't it? Like that. The shine on that. And we're going to put this with a little precision brush. Put this on the inner corners. Just dab it on. Bottom lash line on the top, so it's nice and blended, and then it's on the other eye. That's it, just add that. Make sure I pop slightly. Right, so now I'm going to finish my face and pop on some false eyelashes for you, and then you can see the finished look. Right, see you in a minute. Right guys, and here you have it, the finished look. I am absolutely in love with these colours, I can't emphasise that enough. I've added the Anitude fluffy eyelashes. They've got such a thick band, it took me ages to get them on. Don't know why, but this time I did. But if you're looking for something dramatic, this is what you go for. So I've got the Balm Luminizer on, Astor bronzer, Clinique foundation, and of course NYX concealer and finishing powder in the colour Banana. Ooh, under my eyes. Oh, hang on, I can't see. I'm blind. Oh. So all in all guys, this is your finished look. Super dramatic, super creamy eyeshadows. And this colour is absolutely stunning on brown eyes. Emphasises them no end. The amount of compliments I got when I wore this look the other night, unreal. I've teamed it with a nude lip today, but obviously if you're feeling a bit more out there, you can go dramatic, you can go whatever colour you want. So there you go guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, a bit more of a chatty get ready with me. You got to meet one out of the two of my dogs, one of which you've already met, who is asleep right next to me here on the floor now. So yeah, there you go guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also guys, my last video was a green mermaid inspired look. Smoky eye, absolutely lovely.
lots of people love green on brown eyes as well. So if you'd like to check that out, I'll link it in the little information bar and in the description down below. Don't forget to check out my Instagram, which I will also link down below, along with all the products that I've used today with links where you can buy them. Okay guys, so that's everything. If you've got any suggestions, let me know, hit me up in the comments.